guys, it's me, Fire Alarm Guy 13, and today we will be making my Fire Alarm collection video. This is how much we have. I have 25 in total. Let's start with this front row. The alarms in this front row are Siemens, Wheelock, and Cerberus Pyrotronics. We have a Wheelock AS, but this is actually rendered by Siemens, so the model number has changed. It's ASHMCR. This is also the mounting plate that came with it. Here is and this is also 135 and 185, so it's selectable. This is also a selectable Wheelock AS, but this is Siemens, and not Siemens, but this is originally Wheelock and steel mounted and white. This alarm is broken. When I first got it, these wires were connected, but there's no terminals, so I didn't know what to do, so I just broke them off, and that was a bad mistake. So it's selectable. It can be on 4 candelas, and it's right now $6.95. This is my Wheelock NS424 1575WFR. This is a 4-wire NS 1575. This is a really bright strobe, and here's the back of it. We have a Siemens SEFMCR. This is a Wheelock E70. It is set to 30 right now, but it's selectable as well. 1570, it can be to 15, 75, 30, and 110. This alarm is a pretty kind of rare one. This is Cerberus Pyrotronics UEC S17W. This is a white version, not red, because I know some people who have the red and Siemens version, but this one I found it in white. It's 1575, but the strobe is broken and the chime works really good. Here we have a Siemens MSI-10B. This is addressable. And if this was not addressable, it would be a little small, like a square, but this is addressable. It's also missing the key thing because I unscrewed it by accident, and I unscrewed it too much and the thing came out. Here it is. There we go. It can still be folded. Over here we have a system sensor BC24177. This is a ceiling mounted classic and the second brightest alarm I have. Here's the back of it. And here's also another mounting plate for it. This is a Gentex Commander 3. The model number is GES324WR. This is a strobe only. You saw this in System Test 1. I can show you the inside. This will pop off. And here's the inside. This is the mounting bracket. This is your candela. This little thing will tell you what candela it is on. Right now it's on 60. And this is how you wire it up. You slide this off. You can see this part. And these 3 are the strobes and these 2 are the horn. If this is the horn. No. And this would be where the tones are. Put this plate back on. And here it is. We have an EST Genesis G1RF HCVM. I have 2 of these. One is white and one is red. That's the red one. That's the white one. This is the red one. They're both set to 30 right now, and really loud. Like, it shocked me when I first activated it. Really bright. I can show you the inside. There it is. We have an EST strobe. This is an unknown model number. This is it back, and I actually broke this. This came out. I was trying to get the cover, but I can try to show you the inside. I guess not. But it's set to 110 candela. And I would have put it in the system test, but oh well. Cheap. Only $8. We have this EST 276B1320. You see this in system test 2 and 3, and this hasn't appeared in that long because this thing has broke. Like these clips have broke and I lost the screw, but the switch is working. There we go. There we go. Okay. We have a FCI MS6T. The T is there because of the terminals. And we'll pull this thing. It's pretty hard, but there's the model and the button. Now for this row. This is my first pull station. A Firelight BG12L. The lock has got jammed because the key broke from this BG10 right there because the key gets stuck a lot and it broke and it got jammed. But it can deactivate it. Here's the BG12. This is an Allen key version and it's 2-wire. Firelight by Honeywell. These are all Firelight by Honeywell and 2-wire. Pull it down. This is an Agent Release BG12LR. Key version. A Firelight BG10. Allen version. A Johnson controlled adjustable notifier BG10L. That's a lock. It's pretty much broken. That's the module. Okay, let's just move it. Here's a notifier BNG1TS because of the terminals. Let's pull it. There it is. We have 3 simple controllers. This is a 4903-9426. This is another 4903-9426. This is a 4903-9219. This is SmartSync and 2-wire. I'm going to show you that I have this one. So I can get everything. No. But it will have the terminal like about here, and the terminal is about here. With the SmartSync, there will only be terminals about here. This is a fire truck siren, 12 volts DC or AC. I'm not sure. Here it is. It can move. We have a new RS. It's a new pull station. This is the Grinnell series. I can show you the model number. It's an RMS LP because of the lift and pull. There it is. Back of it. The last pull station is a Mericom MS403. It has 2 switches inside. There we go. This is the one that can activate the alarm. Okay. Now I'm gonna reset all of these pull stations and show you the inside. here are the insides. Now, let's reset them. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.